Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. So Krishna advanced for give us lesson. Jada jada hi dharmasya glani bhavati bhara. Krishna says, my dear Arjuna, I come when there is discrepancies in the process of religious life. Dharmasya glani bhavati. And what is dharma? The simple definition of dharma is Dharmantu sakshat bhagavat pranitam. This is dharma. Dharmantu sakshat bhagavat pranitam. Whatever just like, what do you mean by law? Law means the word given by the state. You cannot make law at all. That is not possible. Whatever the government gives you, that you should act like this, that is law. Similarly, dharma means the direction given by God. That is dharma. Simple definition. You create dharma. I created this dharma, another man creates another dharma. These are not dharma. Therefore, where the Bhagavad-gita ends, that sarva dharman parityajya mamekam saranam. This is dharma. To surrender to Krishna. Any other dharma, they are not dharma. Otherwise, why Krishna asked sarva dharman parityajya? Give up. He said that dharma samasthapanarthaya sambhavami juge juge. I advance to establish the principles of religion. And at last he said, sarva dharman parityajya. That means the so-called dharmas that you have manufactured, man-made dharma, they are not dharmas. Dharma means what is given by God. But we have no understanding what is God and what is His word. That is the modern civilization defect. But the order is there, God is there, we won't accept. Then where is the possibility of peace? The order is there. Krishna says, the Supreme Bhagavan Uvad. Vasudev writes, Bhagavan Uvad. One should know what is Bhagavan. Vasudev could have written Krishna Uvad. No. He says, if one may misunderstand Krishna, therefore he writes in every stanza, every verse, Sri Bhagavan Uvad. So Bhagavan is there. Bhagavan is speaking. Bhagavan is accepted by all the acharyas, Ramanucharya, Madhacharya, Vishnu Swami, latest Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, even Shankaracharya, he also accepts Krishna, Sabhagavan Swayam Krishna. So, the verdict of the modern acharyas, and in the past also, Vasudev, Narad, Osita, everyone accepted Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Arjuna, who heard from Krishna after understanding Bhagavad-gita, he said, Param Brahma, Param Dhama, Pavitram, Paramam Bhavan, Purusam, Adyam, Shastra. So everything is there. Especially in India, we have got so much asset for understanding God. Simple thing. Everything is there, ready-made. But we won't accept. So what is the remedy for such disease? We are searching after peace, but we won't accept anything which is actually giving us peace. This is our disease. So this Krishna consciousness movement is trying to awaken the dormant Krishna consciousness in everyone's heart. Otherwise, how these Europeans and Americans and other countrymen, they never heard of Krishna 4 or 5 years ago. How they are taking Krishna consciousness so serious? Krishna consciousness is there in everyone's heart. It has to be awakened only. That is described in the Chaitanya Charitamrita. Nitya Siddha Krishna Bhakti Sadha Kavu Na Savanadi Shuddha Chitte Karaye Uday. It is awake. Love for Krishna, devotion for Krishna is there within everyone's heart. But he has forgotten. So this Krishna consciousness movement is simply meant for awakening that Krishna consciousness. This is the process. Just like when you are sleeping, I have to call you loudly. Mr. Such and such, get up, you have got this business. No other senses will act when you are sleeping, but the ear will act. Therefore, in this age, when people are so fallen, they will not hear anything. If we chant this Hare Krishna Maha Mantra, he will be awakened to Krishna consciousness. This is practice.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.